In the morning, Mohsin Athani was talking about cost of compliance. So, Hasnain, any idea how cost of compliance is growing? Please share your thoughts how to be efficient in human and financial resources while maintaining educate compliance. Yeah.
Basically, when we talk about
On कर लीजिए ना।
आपको आवाज़ आ रही देखिए when we talk about the cost of compliance, there's one thing we need to understand because there is a paradigm shift that's happening within the banking industry, and that needs to be taken into perspective. Now, there is a challenge between the traditional and the conventional methods and the new factors that are coming in. आप देखिए कि सुबह सदर मुमलिकत बात कर रहे थे निज़ाम हैदराबाद की और वो ट्रेडिशनली खच्चरों पे सोना लाद के आने की। आप देखिए कि आज तक हमारे माशरे में मजहबी माशरती और माशी तौर पे खच्चरों का अभी भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल है। बट अगर हम उससे थोड़ा सा आगे जाएं और बैंकिंग की तरफ को आएँ तो there's one thing we need to understand. When we talk about cost of compliance is dependent on a number of factors. The first thing is that there is available research which states that by 2030, majority of the banks will move towards the digital platform and the brick and mortar model will go away. Now, as a consequence of that, what's going to happen? Front-end staff will reduce. Once front-end staff reduces, what would be the opposite effect of that? The control functions would probably also, reduce accordingly. It can't be lopsided. So what will happen is that, you see, at present even there are about 1.8 millennials out of a total population of 7 billion in this world. Now those millennials have about 47% who are using technology. So the use of technology will increase. As a result of that, if you see people of the older generation, I don't want to say my generation, but the older generation has a habit of a touch and feel. We like to touch our products, feel the fabric, try the shoe out. Millennials don't like that. So as a result of that, you see, once you start moving towards the digital world, as we've seen recently with the Roshan digital account, automatically the data systems will have to be improved, will have to be increased, a lot of information would be captured, and in that data bank, a lot of data mining will take place, and automatically the cost of compliance when it comes to the human element will come down, but obviously it will require a lot of investment. In conclusion, there's one thing I'd like to add here, that when we talk about the cost of compliance, there's one thing we forget, that it's about almost $250 billion that have been fined on US banks since 2008. Similarly, if you talk about the heavy investment in compliance, about $181 billion have been invested, which roughly comes to about $10,000 per employee. That is expected to come down with system development. But when you look at it, from a concluding perspective, the real challenge will not be in bringing down the cost of compliance and bringing up the upgraded systems. We've talked about artificial intelligence a lot. But to conclude your question, I think the biggest challenge for us will still be to counter natural stupidity. So I think that will also play an important role. Thank you.
Abad, on this thing, I also have some comments if you allow me. So basically, cost of compliance is, in my view, is a very healthy and good one. But this is something which is going to increase in the times to come, and I don't think it's going to go away in future. So the most important thing is, how are we going to become more efficient? So in my view, there are three critical elements, which we have to keep an eye on, and the most important one is investment in people, and this is something which we are continuously missing. I'm not just talking about training. I'm talking about investment, so that you can graduate them to a level where they can start looking at things from your lens and the lens that you are applying in terms of reviewing different activities. Because I don't agree with the fact that compliance is there to, you know, perform different kind of activities or policing in different things. So this is something which we have to, you know, keep an eye on, and that's very important.
Thank you.